Next lecture, example of parabola. Example number 4. Fit a parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c to the given data. You have given data of x and y. If value of x is 10, then value of y is 14, value of x is 12, then value of y is 17, value of x is 15, then value of y is 23. If value of x is 23, then value of y is 25, value of x is 20, then value of y is 21. In this data you have to fit a parabola curve. So let us start a solution. So let the parabola, in this example you have given equation of parabola. If not, then you understand what is equation of parabola. It is equation of parabola is x square plus bx plus c. એટલે તમારે યાદ રાખવું પડે જો તમને ન આપેલું હોય તો. So what is normal equations of parabola? It is three normal equation. First one is summation y is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x plus n into c. Here n is our number of data is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So n is equal to 5. We want to find value of small a, small b and small c. What is summation x? Summation x is sum of data of x. This one, sum of 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 23 plus 20. It is summation x, value of summation x. What is summation of x square? First of all you have to square of each element, 10 square plus 12 square plus 15 square plus 23 square plus 20 square. What is value? Is summation of x square. And summation of y is known. Sum of each element of y, 14 plus 17 plus 23 plus 25 plus 21. What is sum? Is summation y. In the third equation, equation number 3, what is summation of x into y? First of all you have to calculate x into y. Here this column is x into y. 10 multiplied by 14 is 140. 12 into 17 is 204. Similarly, all are multiplication. And what is its sum is summation x into y is 1684. Next is summation of x square. Means all the value of x. First of all you have to square and then sum. What is summation of x square y? Here first of all x square column into y. If you multiply, then you get x square y. Then each sum of all element, you get summation of x square y. Summation of x cube means cube of x column, or multiply x into x square, x into x square, it is x cube. So you can easily find x cube, x raised to 4, because here is required x cube, x raised to 4, x cube. Put the whole value put the all below value in the normal equation. You get equation 5, 6 and 7. If you solve 3 equation, here is 3 variable a, b and c and 3 equation. So you can easily solve by cancel method. First of all you have to remove this c. If you multiply by 16, into equation 5. So in the negative, so you get remove C. After the calculation, you get value of A is minus 0.07, B is 3.01 and C is minus 8.73. So substitution in the given equation of parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Put the value of a, b and c in the given equation. You get y is equal to minus 0.07 x square plus 3.01 minus 8.73. This is required best fit equation of parabola of given data. So this is our example. Next example you can solve yourself. There is equation are not given, but given that fit a parabola. So you know what is the equation of parabola. It is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here is number of element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So n is equal to 8. And what is normal equation? This one is 3 normal equation. You can verify with the table. This one is your whole homework, but you can easily, this one is simple calculation, so you can easily check. So those are example of fit a parabola of the given data.